Possessing attractive and competitive advantages, the role of Vietnam in the global supply chain is becoming more important. The strategic location. The economy growing steadily and various free trade agreements with important partners. The stable political system with policies that support investment and workforce training. As a result, Vietnam has become an attractive destination for investors. Hai Duong is a key province in the north. Located in the center of the economic triangle of Hanoi, Hai Phong, Quang Ninh, Hai Duong province has an area of 1,688.2 square kilometers with a population of over 1.9 million people, with nearly 1 million people at working age. There are about 500 FDI projects in the province with a total investment capital of nearly 9.2 billion USD, with typical investors such as Ford, Hyundai Kefico, and Brother. Prioritizing transportation, Hai Duong focuses on investment in road, railway, and waterway infrastructures. Besides, Hai Duong also has effective investment promotion policies, thereby attracting many foreign investors. An Phat Holdings is the leading group in eco-friendly and high-tech plastic products in Southeast Asia. With over 20 years of development, An Phat Holdings has 18 subsidiaries, of which 4 companies have been listed on Vietnam stock market. Understanding the needs of investors, An Phat Holdings decided to choose industrial real estate as one of the key businesses in development strategy. An Phat Complex joint stock company was established with a mission to develop eco-friendly and high-tech industrial parks, providing sustainable values to investors. Strategically located on National Highway 5, An Phat High-Tech Industrial Park has now reached full occupancy, with the presence of various domestic and foreign investors. Following that success, at the beginning of 2021, An Phat 1 Industrial Park received the investment policy approval from the Prime Minister and the investment registration certificate. The project is the beginning cooperation between An Phat Holdings and Actis, a leading global investor in sustainable infrastructure with headquarters in UK. With an area of 180 hectares, An Phat 1 is expected to become an eco-friendly and high-tech industrial park, attracting enterprises in electronics, supporting industries, mechanical engineering, and high-tech materials. An Phat 1 Industrial Park is located at Kilometer 72, National Highway 37, Nam Sac District, Hai Duong Province. The economic triangle of Hanoi, Hai Phong, Quang Ninh, easily connects to Bac Ninh, the center of electronics and high-tech industries, making it convenient to transport and deliver to important destinations such as Noi Bai International Airport, Cat Bi International Airport, Hai Phong International Seaport, Mong Khai International Border Gate, Tun Thang and Hiu Gi International Border Gate. With a synchronous infrastructure, a modern communication system, and advanced systems of electricity, water supplies and wastewater treatment, the industrial park has the capacity to meet the different needs of investors. With the orientation to become a green complex industrial park, An Phat 1 plans 21 hectares for trees and water surfaces, creating a beautiful landscape and fresh air. The 46 hectares urban area is planned next to the industrial park, capable of serving 18,000 people including experts, workers in the industrial park and local people. Enterprises investing in An Phat 1 will be provided with a one-stop service by an experienced and enthusiastic team, to save time and resources, and develop sustainable business relationships. Along with that are the supportive policies of Hai Duong Province and corporate income tax exemption for the first 2 years and 50% reduction for the next 4 years. With those advantages, An Phat 1 Industrial Park is expected to attract 25 to 30 large factories with 20,000 workers. We appreciate investment promotion activities and seek partnerships to engage in sustainable production activities, utilizing resources and developing collaborative relationships to enhance economic, environmental, and social efficiency. So that investor coming to An Phat can invest with trust. Together we grow.